Tinkly presents.
Hi, sweethearts. It's me, Peppy again.
Peppy, do you see?
Haha, what is that sound? Oh, it's Mr. Rooster. He's waking up the whole farm and us. It must be morning time. Let's get up and start the day. Come on, sweethearts. Sing and move with us. It's time for Cock-a-doodle-doo song. Enjoy.
Cock-a-doodle-doo, it's morning light. Rooster crows with all his might. Wakes the farm with rise and shine. Stretch your arms, it's wake up time. Flap, flap wings and twist your toes. Jump and jiggle, strike a pose. Peck the ground, now clap three. Let's all crow like 1, 2, 3. Rooster says good morning crew to pigs and cows and duckies too. He starts the day with happy cheer. Dance with me, the fun is here. Rooster says good morning crew to pigs and cows and duckies too. He starts the day with happy cheer. Dance with me, the fun is here.
Wow, you danced, sang, and crowed like a superstar, Rooster. Thank you, Mr. Rooster. You made the farm so happy today. We loved playing with you. When you smile, we smile too. So, if your toes want to tap or your wings want to flap,
Come back to PeppyTinkly.
well, the giggles never stop. And if you loved it, enjoyed it, don't forget to tap the little bell and subscribe so we can play again soon. Bye bye, sweetheart. See you soon. Take care.